My Snowy is sleeping like a human. See, he's lying down. Oi, when you say oi, he go and sleep. Normally he will perch up here and fall asleep and put his beak behind his back, like how a normal bird will do. But now he's trying to sleep like a human. See, he's sleeping. Oi. They say, close his eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Oi, ship. He lie down. He knows how to do this because he watched me. That's what humans do, lie down in bed and sleep. And he will sleep in front of my room, watching me. That's how my mommy sleep. And that's how I have learned how to sleep. When you see, and every night when you put him back to his little room, straight away he go down. I say, come, Snowy, I put you back to sleep. Oi. When I say oi, Chinese word mother will say to a baby. The mothers say in Hokkien or whatever. Say oi. It's a funny word. It means baby going to sleep. And he will straight away come down and go down to the newspaper and do exactly like this. And then when I close him up with all the cloth and towels, then only he will get up and go up on his usual spot, the perch here. He will normally sit up here and sleep. Birds always like the highest place. But now, see, he's taking a nap. Snowy, close your eyes. Yeah, see, he's closing his eyes. He's a very clever bird. Close your eyes. Clever bird. Why chirping? Huh? Chirping. Sleeping. I say sleeping, but I tell him baby word, baby talk. Chirping, you know. See, now he's sleeping. Chirping. So he's sleeping. Somebody want to sleep. Take a cat nap, is it? It's 12 o'clock noon. No scratching, you sleep. Oi. Chip. Clever bird. See, he's lying down. No bird will lie down like this so slow, so long. That's how he sleep. See? He tuck his head down and ship. No pillow, must make you a pillow. Make you a little pillow. Yeah. Ship. How Snowy snore? Can Snowy snore? How Snowy blow? How you blow? Hey, shipping. Hey. Hello, Snowy. Snowy sleeping. Hello, Snowy. Snowy slip. Snowy slip. Hello, Snowy. Snowy clever boy. Snowy ship. Clever boy. How Snowy blow? Don't want to blow. Don't want to sleep. Concentrate on sleeping. Yeah, Snowy sleeping. You have to believe. Seeing him and see what he does is really believing that this bird is so intelligent. Hello, Snowy. He calls everyone Snowy because that's what people call you, isn't it? Hello, Snowy. Hello, Snowy bird. Hello, Snowy. Clever. Hello, Snowy. Snowy, oi. How Snowy? Hello, Snowy. Big bird, you see? Big bird. Hello, Snowy. Half a kilo bird, is it? Snowy is a half a kilo bird, is it? Hello. Hello, Snowy. Snowy say, I love you. Say, I love you. Hello, Snowy. Say hello to everyone on YouTube. Hello, Snowy. Everyone is Snowy. He calls everybody Snowy. Hello, Snowy. Hello, Snowy. Hello, Snowy. Hello. Hello, Snowy. Hello, Snowy. So you want to dance? You want to sleep? No scratching. I scratch you already. This morning I've scratched you. No more scratching, okay? He gets very angry. He must know. Hello. How's Snowy blow? How's Snowy blow? Snowy blow. Hello. Hello, Snowy. Hello, Snowy. How's Snowy blow? See, he's blowing now. How's Snowy blow? Hello. Hello, Snowy. Snowy blow. Snowy blow. Quick. He's blowing. Clever boy. How's Snowy blow? How's Snowy blow? Hello, Snowy. Buddy has not come. Where Buddy? Buddy. Hello. Calling Buddy. Mommy whistle. Then Buddy will come. So he's jealous when Buddy comes, is it? No, so he's very quiet. It's only when I take video and start talking, then he gets worried. And he start calling and he start making phone calls to Mommy. But he said, I love you. Okay. Okay. Oh, that is very, very tricky. That is very tricky. But Mommy is faster. That is very tricky. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Enough. Say hello to everybody. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's tricky now. I know he's tricky. When he's all fluff up, when a bird is all fluff up, you have to be very worried. He's very tricky. Oh, he'll be out to nap your little finger. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. I say bye-bye to you. Bye-bye.